Good evening, everyone. Today I will discuss three important points. One is good point, that is, we close at 854.05 points gain or INR 17,081 per lot profit this month of December 2019. The bad part is that we ended the last trading day of the year with a loss of 60 point. Today, as per our system, there was a 60-point loss, and the future is that we are going to start the year 2020 with a jackpot day. How we know what to do, I will discuss everything in this video. But before that, I believe that it is the right time, because this is the first time we lose in this month, except the other day where we lost 38 point in the jackpot day. This is the one day, only one day in this entire December we lose money. So at that point, I want to clarify one thing, and it is very important, that trading is risky and losing money in trading is very natural. It's like breathing. You cannot stop breathing, and as such, you cannot stop losing day or losing trade in the market. It is very natural and normal. Now, then, what is our goal? Our goal is to use a simple system to continue trading with a specific age to win more often and create a net positive. Net positive means, see, we have small profitable day, 100-point day, 50-point day, and medium profit and loss day, one jackpot day where we gain 200 point, and then there was 100 point, and today there is a loss of 60 point. So there is small day, medium profitable day, large profitable day like these, and losing day like this, small losing day, medium losing day. Overall, our goal is to create a net positive day, or net positive month. According to this system, as per my experience, I found that over a period of last 4 years of experience with this system, I found that in general, in a bad month, this system lose 8 to 15k per lot, and in a good month, this system generate around 12 to 22k in this broader range. For an example, this month we gained 17,000. So it is in middle. It may happen in that some month we do better, some month we not do so far, but statistically it is the possibilities. So through this system, I am no way telling you that it is a sure shot types of way that you will never lose, or this will eventually going to be successful every day, every month. No, this will not happen with these things. That things never exist in trading. So you must ensure that to trade and be successful, you must have readiness to accept the normal fact of the trading, that trading is a risky game, and we can time to time lose money, but our overall goal is to using a profitable system to accumulate a net positive at the end. And these things, the chance of getting net positive increases over the period of time. More you will trade, more day you will trade, more long term view you will keep, more long time you will continue, your chance to gain the net positive will increase. Now, with this important note, I will show you what was the trade today. Now here also important point. I use Zerodha. I recommend, and this entire system is based on the Zerodha reporting data, broking firm to broking firm, chart to chart, reporting of the data changes, and because we have to take the high and low, so a common data point is necessary. So I recommend the Zerodha data to trade. I am not saying it is good, it is bad. I am saying that this system tested over this platform. Number one. Number two, always put the two up to two decimal point of the up to two decimal point of the data. So here you can see the high was 32509.50. You have to write it 32509.50. You cannot you should not write it 32509 only or 32509.5 only. You have to write the two up to the two decimal point of the data. As always, you have to put the first three candle high low in this Excel where it is mentioned start here. I have already put this data. Once you will put this data, you have to click over here and you will find in this plan master sheet what is the plan for today. Today's plan was, as you can see, plan B, and under the plan B sheet you will find the trade. Today's trade was for 50 points. Go short means short trade was 50 point, entry level was 32346.80, and the stop loss was 32407.75. So eventually this was the level where below which the short trade trigger in this candle, and around here 32407 was your stop loss. So in this candle your stop loss got triggered and you exited the trade with a loss of 60 point. Overall, with this loss, we ended the month with 854 point gain, that is INR 17,081 plus some brokerage you have to deduct from it. So it could be around another 1,000 you can deduct for brokerage. So 15,800 to 16,000 should be your net profit. Now let's check what was the plan for tomorrow. As I mentioned that tomorrow is a jackpot day. What you have to do is that you can enter the same data under this jackpot finder and you have to paste the data. Once you paste the data here, sorry, so then what you have to do is that you have to write down the high and low of the last candle. Remember, we have to put the up to the 2-digit point of data. So the data was, the low was the 320. Obviously 0.00 is not necessary, but for the practice is better that you put the 0.00 also. 32393.95 was the high of the last candle. So see, still now it is not showing any jackpot kind of indications, but as soon as I will hit enter, you will find that the message has changed and it is saying yes, use jackpot plan tomorrow. Now here another point, we have a separate Excel sheet to find the trade in a jackpot day. Tomorrow we will not use this Excel sheet. This Excel sheet is for normal day trading, not for everyday trading, or sorry, not for jackpot day trading. So with that, I want to end this session and I wish all of you happy new year. I have no doubt that if you correctly follow the system and if you do trade with cool brain, then you will become eventually successful. But you should have clear understanding of what it is, what is likely, what is the loss potentiality, how much you can lose. You have that readiness to lose that much of amount or not. All those things you should be very careful before you start trading. Thank you so much for your time. Have a nice day.